Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Fit credit card. If you've been struggling to get approved for a credit card or you're trying to rebuild your credit score, then you've probably come across the Fit credit card. It looks simple and easy to get and also promises to help you build your credit fast. But here's the real question, is it actually worth it? Or are you walking into a very expensive mistake? Well, let's find out in this video. The Fit credit card, also known as the Fit MasterCard, is a credit building card designed specifically for people with low credit scores, bad credit, or no credit history at all. It's issued by a US bank and runs on the MasterCard network, meaning that you can use it almost anywhere worldwide. Now, what makes this card stand out at first glance is this. It's an unsecured credit card, which means you don't need to pay a security deposit to get started. That's a big deal because most beginner or bad credit cards usually require that you lock up some money upfront. So on paper, this sounds like a great opportunity, especially if you don't have extra cash lying around. But here's where things get interesting. This card is really built for one purpose and one purpose only, to help you build or rebuild your credit score. The Fit card is more like a tool than a reward card. You're not here to earn benefits. You're not here to earn points. You're here to fix your credit. And as you'll see later in this video, that definitely comes at a cost. So let's get started. What are the main features of this card? First, no security deposits. That's one of the biggest selling points. You don't need to put down money just to open the account. That makes it accessible if you're short on cash. It also reports to all three credit bureaus. That's one of the core features. Your payment history gets reported consistently, which is crucial for improving your credit score over time. There's also an initial $400 credit limit. Once approved, you typically get a starting credit limit of around $400, but keep it in mind, you won't actually have access to the full $400. MasterCard acceptance. Because it's a MasterCard, you can use it online, you can use it in stores, and also internationally. So usability is not a problem. Then there's credit limit increase opportunity. If you use this card responsibly, you may qualify for a higher credit limit over time. But this usually takes time and may even come with additional conditions. Basic security features. You get fraud protection and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. Simple online account management. Yes, you can manage your account, track spending, and make payments through their online platform. Alright, let's talk about the pricing. As indicated on the website where Fit Platinum MasterCard is, there is no obvious pricing. Instead, for the annual fee, it tells you to see the terms and conditions. So after you click apply now to apply for the card and you accept and agree to the terms and conditions, you may now get the amount that you pay for the card, but it definitely comes at a cost. So what are the pros and cons of using the card? First, the pros. Easy approval for bad or no credits. No security deposit is required and it helps build credit through reporting. How about the cons? The fees are extremely high. Even though it's not clearly stated, but you get to know when you apply, just have it at the back of your mind that the fees are extremely high. The interest rate is also high and there are no rewards or cashback for this card. So is the Fit credit card actually worth it? Well, here's the honest truth. It's not a card that you get because you want benefits. It's a card that you get because you have very limited options. So overall, the Fit credit card is best for someone who is rebuilding credits, someone who has very limited approval options, or people who need a quick starting point. It's not ideal for everyday spending or long-term use or anyone trying to avoid high fees. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Capital One Platinum Secured, Discover It Secured Credit Card, and Chime Credit Builder Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.